Hey everyone, my name is Mrs. Rajendram and welcome to my sixth grade math class. This year I will be teaching AIG and standard sixth grade math. I have my information located on the screen, so if you need to pause so you can write that down in case you need to get in touch with me at any point. All right, let's talk about me so you can know who I am before you start the school year. My name is pronounced Rajendram, like you would play. If you have trouble saying my name, please feel free to call me just Mrs. R. I graduated from UNC Charlotte with 2 degrees in political science and civil engineering, and I actually worked in the civil engineering field for a couple years before I decided that I wanted to become a math teacher. I am now currently attending UNC Charlotte to get my Master's of Education. Family is my everything. I have 2 kids, Zoe and Kai. Zoe's 6, about to be 7, and Kai is 1. And I also have a husband named Dan. I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance because you will hear so many different stories about them as we go through the school year. This will be my second year at Monroe Middle School teaching math, and I'm excited to see what this school year is going to bring. Let's talk about some expectations that I have for this school year. My first expectation is that you log into Canvas every single school day so that you do not get behind. This year we will be taking grades for the semester. So if you miss a day and you don't log into Canvas, then that means you're probably going to get far behind and it may be harder to catch up than you think. Make sure that you are prepared when you come in for your day at school. So remember, if your last name starts with A through D, you'll come in on Monday, E through K, Tuesday, L through Q, Wednesday, and R through Z on Thursday. When you come, you need to have all of your materials, especially your notebook, especially your computer, and make sure that it's charged, as well as a pencil and all your other materials that you may be needing. Another one is to make sure you are asking questions. A lot of this is going to be online. And if you don't ask questions and if you're confused about something, I'm not going to know that just because I won't be able to see your facial expression except for once a week. So I don't want you to wait and be lost for a whole week because you didn't ask questions. I'm going to have time where I'm going to go live every day so that you can actually reach out to me or send me a quick email if you can't make it to the live sessions, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Try your hardest. Oh my goodness, in all your classes, please try your hardest. I know that this is a new and kind of interesting time that we're in, but if you go into each class and especially my class, and you take your notes and you try as hard as you can, you're paying attention, you're doing your work, you're going to succeed in this class. And make sure that you have a positive attitude. With everything going on right now, I understand that it's hard to have a positive attitude sometimes, but we're finally going to get to see a few people and you'll be able to have classes with some people. So it will be kind of fun to not always, see your family all the time if that's what you're used to. So have a positive attitude as you come into this classroom. Here's the supply list that you need. Unfortunately, we won't be able to share materials like in the past. So I really, really, really want you guys to make sure you can take some time and go and get those supplies. If you need help, please let me know. But if you just forget a supply, I will be charging you the money that you'll be able to gain in my class. We're going to talk about my reward system the first day that you come into my class for the first time, but you all will have a chance to earn a pay stub from me and learn some financial responsibility while you're at it. All right, so the supply list that you'll need is 1 pack of colored pencils, 2 highlighters, 2 composition notebooks, 2 packs of glue sticks, 4 packs of pencils, and a pair of scissors. All right, so unit of study. Really quickly, we'll talk about that. This year, we're going to be going over number systems, ratios and proportions, expressions and equations, geometry, and statistics. So as we go in, I'll make sure that each topic that we covered, I'll let you know which unit that falls in between. Okay, really quickly, a quote to end on. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new, Albert Einstein. This year, we are going to be making a ton of mistakes, and that is okay. Make sure that you're not so hard on yourself as you make those mistakes. And trust me, I'm not going to be hard on you at all if you make a few mistakes, because I want you to realize that we're all human. We all make mistakes, and I will show as much compassion as I can, and I hope you guys show as much compassion to me as well. I am so excited to start this school year, to meet every single one of you in person. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye. Have a good day.